Hello and welcome to Young Learners, beginner level. In today's lesson, we learn about family and friends. Let's first go to the beach. Listen and say, sister, sister, brother, brother. Great job. Now, just listen. Sister. This is my sister. She is 9. Brother. This is my brother. He is 10. Let's go to see my mum and my dad. Listen and say, Mum, Mum, Dad, Dad. Awesome. Now, just listen. Dad. This is my dad. He is 31. Mum. This is my mum. She is 30. Let's now go to the hotel. Listen and say, Grandpa, Grandpa, Grandma, Grandma. Brilliant. Now, just listen. This is my grandpa and grandma. Listen and say, cousin, cousin. Now, just listen. This is my cousin. She is 6. Listen and say, friend, friend. Now, just listen. This is my friend. She is from Spain. Great listening and speaking. Make sure to come back soon to watch another video or visit our website esleschool.com.